The cube of any positive integer
Cu-
is of
ah,
the form 9m, 9m plus 1
Ah.
or 9m plus 8.
any cube of, listen it, cube of any positive integer. Don't talk while I am teaching. Listen it, or otherwise go. Listen it. What is that? Is of the form of cube. This is cube form. Integer should be proved in cube form, but not in square form. Square form is 3m. That is 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q, that is in the square form. This is cube. Cube means we should use what is also 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 1. We should use a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to, right, a cube plus b cube plus, tell me, 3 a square b or 3, tell me, a square b or 3b square. This is formula, or it can be written in a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. In this also you can write the formula. It is taken calmly here. What is Euclid? What is EDL? EDL is equal to what is that? Now EDL is equal to A is equal to BQ plus R. Here A is dividend. Here A is dividend. And B is equal to divisor. And Q is equal to quotient. C is equal to quotient plus R is equal to remainder. This is, we can observe this 3. Here 3 is divisor and it is 9. 1 is remainder. Here the condition is there. What is the condition? 0 is less than R is less than B. B is equal to what is B? This is B. This is A. This is Q. This is R. Always 0 is greater than R. 0 is R is greater than 0 and B is greater than R. It should be, there is a condition you should observe. Here what is given? Hey, don't again. What is given? 9m. 9m is equal to, you should take, in place of 9, you should take 3. Then what is the what are the possible integers? Possible reminders. Possible reminders. Write down this also. Possible reminders for 3. For 3 is equal to what are the reminders? 0, 1, 2. These are the possible reminders. If you multiply, if you divide, you can get the two reminders. Then what is the formula here? Tell me. Tell me what is there. Tell me. Now tell me. You. Tell me. Sanju, you tell me now. What is the formula here we will have to use?
A is equals to B plus R.
A is equal to B plus R. I have written this. What is that?
A is equals to 9q plus.
First what would R is equal to first case R is equal to how much? 0. R is equal to 0. And substitute in R. First take R. What is that? R is equal to 0. What is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R. Then what is that? What is B? B is equal to how much? B is equal to 3. 3 Q. What is quotient? 3Q plus R is equal to 0. What is that? 3Q plus A. What should we do? ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? What should we do? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? What should we do? You should do cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. A cube is equal to 3Q plus 0 whole cube. What is 3 3s are how much? 27 cube plus 0 cube plus here formula I have written 3a square. A is this and B is this. 3 into how much? Tell me a square. A is 3 3s are 9 cube. 9 cube. Participate it 9 cube into 0. 9 cube into 0 plus B cube how much? 0 cube. Now what is left of here for us? What is left? This is 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is equal to 27 cube. This is the, what is the case 1? If the remainder is 0, we get to 27 cube. If the remainder is second, the second case, the remainder is R is equal to 1. The case R is equal to 1. What should you do again? Tell me fast. Cubing on both sides. A cube, then A is equal to B cube plus R. Substitute this. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on A cube is equal to B cube plus B how much? 3 cube plus R is equal to how much? 1. Sparing on both sides. What is that? First observe this. A cube is, this is A, this is B. How much? 27 cube plus 1 cube plus B cube is equal to 1 cube plus 3 into A square. A square how much? 3q square. 3q square. Next 3a square B. B how much? 1. Plus B cube how much? 1 cube. Okay, next what is remained here? 27 cube. 27 cube plus 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9. 27 9q square. 27 q square. Am I correct or wrong? See it. 3 3s are how much? 9. 9q sir. Then 3 9 square is equal to 3.
3a square b 3ab square formula.
3
a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab
3a square A 3 cube plus B.
3ab square.
3 okay. Here 3
పైన కూడా
3 payana what is this? 3 A 3 cube. Don't equal 0 square. You got 0 already 0. That is also 0. Here A how much? Don't have 3 cube.
3a square b 1
3a square B 1 square.
3 cube square లేదు.
Square లేదు. 3a B 3a square B. Next ఇది సేమ్ ఇది సరిపోయింది కదా ప్లస్ 3 3s 9 క్యూబ్. ఓకేనా? 9 క్యూబ్. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ 3 3s 9 క్యూబ్. అంతే కదా 9 క్యూబే కదా.
1 ఉంది ఇంకా 1 cube 1.
1 క్యూబ్ 1 into 9 క్యూబ్ 9 క్యూబ్.
మధ్యలో 1 cube సార్.
మధ్యలో 1 మధ్యలో చివర 1 క్యూబ్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు కేస్ 3 very important జాగ్రత్తగా కేస్ 3 is equal to కేస్ R is equal to what is the remainder? R is equal to 1 is over now 2. Okay, tell me that A is equal to B cube plus R. Don't have to substitute the values. Don't have the A cube is equal to B 3 cube plus R is equal to how much? 2. Then this is cube. Then now tell me. This is tell me what is that?
Cube
27
Cube.
27 cube plus 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 8 plus tell me 3a square b. 3 into 3q square plus into 2. Next plus 3 into 3q into 2 square. This is 8. Write down directly 8. 4. Okay, 4 this is. Now so what is there?
27 cube.
27
Cube.
27 cube. Then square tell me.
3
Cube.
nines.
3 nines. 54. 54. 54 కదా. 3
7. 2 sevens 14 plus 1 74 q square.
54 q square. 54 q square plus
3 3 9
3 follow
36
36
q
36 q
plus 8.
plus 8. Here common take out common. 9 common take out 9 take out common 9
3
is
cube
3 cube plus
6 q square
6 q square
plus 4 q
hey don't talk
plus 4 q
plus
4 q
4
q brackets close plus 8
plus 8
9 and plus 8
now this is how do you if you represent by
m
m is equal to 9 and plus 8 is here it is proven. This is 9 and plus 8. Here it is here also take common 9. 9 3 cube plus
3 q square
3 cube square.
3 q square
3 cube square plus 3
q
cube plus 1. This is represented
9 and plus 9
9 and plus 9 plus 1. Here it is what is that?
9 plus 2
It is 9 9 3 cube. This is represented by m. This is 9m. 9m 9 and this is don't have 9m plus 1. This is 9m plus 1. Here this is 9m plus 8. In that way we will have to prove it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Prove it. Do right.